You will hear a conversation at the train station. Then, there will be questions and answers. Pause at each question and think about your answer before moving on. At the train station.
Good morning. I would like to buy a ticket to Manchester, please.
Sure, one way or round trip?
Round trip, please. What time is the next train?
The next train to Manchester is at 11:30 a.m. It's a direct service, and the journey takes about 2 hours.
Great. How much is the ticket?
The round-trip ticket costs £25.
Perfect, I'll take it.
Questions. True or false? The passenger is buying a one-way ticket. Answer. False. What time is the next train to Manchester? Options. 9:30 a.m. 11:30 a.m. 1:30 p.m. Answer. 11:30 p.m. Fill in the blank. The train journey takes about blank hours. Answer. 2. How much does the round-trip ticket cost? Answer. £25. True or false? The train to Manchester is a direct service. Answer. True. That's the end of this listening practice. Keep practicing every day to improve your English. See you in the next lesson. Link to more practice tasks in the description of this video.